In this video, I will show you how you can manage spending time on Facebook from phone. Once we open the Facebook app in our phone, this is the screen we will see. We need to click the menu in top right. In this menu screen, we need to click Your Time on Facebook tab. And on this screen, under Manage Your Time, we have See Tools button. We need to click and enter the tools screen. In the bottom of the screen, we have Daily Time Reminder, which will remind us the time we have spent on Facebook daily. By default, the time reminder is disabled. We can click this toggle button and enable it. And here, we can enter the maximum time to be spent on Facebook, after which we need to be reminded. I will add 2 hours and 30 minutes as the maximum time spending on Facebook daily. And in the bottom of the screen, we need to click Set Reminder button. So hereafter we will be reminded every day if our time spent on Facebook is over 2 hours and 30 minutes. With this, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added.